Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30305, the Spider-Man Super Jumper. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because my current plan is to do one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I have also done one of these a day, every day for the recent past. So if you like this kind of thing, there's already about 130 of these up on YouTube that I've done. So, and there's more on the way. So if you like this kind of thing, then think about subscribing, because I got a decent number of them. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, then I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. And also, I've included the brick set link if you want to just get information about this set. Alright, so this is a Super Jumper set. I don't know what the Super Jumper thing is, but I feel like what I do is I clip good old Spidey to this. This is just my guess here. Clipping Spider-Man to this. He doesn't want to clip to it. Alright. I feel like he clips in here. I'm trying to get it so I don't like mush it down yet too early. Alright, so he clips on. Is he not attached to that little thing in the back? Alright. There we go. So that's him attached. And then I guess that's the jumping part. Can y'all hear the little noise it makes? I don't know if I can do it. I guess I can't do it when I'm holding it. But yeah, it makes like a little kind of... Alright, so... I don't know about the fun and excitement of the jumping Spider-Man thing, but it's kind of a cool looking Spider-Man if you want to... You know, it's an easy way to get a Spider-Man minifig. Alright, so let's put together the little creature that good old Spidey is engaged with. So that's... I don't know. That's a weird one. Not crazy about the jumping thing, but it's, I guess, interesting. Alright, so let's see. So, we got an inverted 2x2 tile. I like these tiles, by the way. Whenever I'm making random things, I use them to kind of like flatten out the bottoms of whatever it is I'm doing. Alright. So I got these things that are gonna probably apparently try to shoot. And then this is the back part, like so. And this goes on top. Kind of weird. They look green to you, right? They kind of look green to me. So, but apparently they're light blue. And that goes like that. And then like so. So this is our thing so far. And then so I got this, and then this, and this, and then this goes on top of this. And it clips to the back. Why does it clip to the back? I don't know why it clips to the back, but apparently it clips to the back. I guess like that, maybe? Yeah, it clips to the back. I mean, like, that's what it says to do. Alright. So this is clipping to the front. So Got this. And we got one of these little arm things. So we got one of these little arm things goes in here. And line up like that. And we have a yellow-ish green light. And this one clips to the front, like so. So this is going to be, okay, so this is going to be the light for our thing. And then we're going to make 6 claws, or 6 like legs, claw leg walker things. Alright. So that's 1 and 2. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like this set is mainly to get you a Spider-Man. And this extra thing is kind of meh. I'm not super impressed with the Spider Walker thing. But just need to look at Spider-Man. I'm like, maybe I'm underestimating the play value of the like Lego pieces that shoot, but I really just I don't like scattering my Legos all across the room, because you're kind of fighting an uphill battle anyway to keep your Legos organized, and I feel like it's just like you're making the battle that much worse when you have something that propels a Lego somewhere. And I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Alright, so I got these things that shoot. And so these are the things that shoot. And then we attach the legs. So the legs are just going to be, just basically clip in. 1, 2, 3. Like I kind of like this from a. I feel like this has the pieces of making like an Aliens, like face hugger out of Legos. It's kind of interesting, but like this, a couple of the Spider-Man things. Like I haven't been really interested in the Spider-Man or the robotic aspect of it, but like there was another one I did, the Spider Walker. And by the way, this is this thing. This is oh, extra pieces. So this is better looking than I was expecting it to look like once it got put together. But I don't know if it's really interesting enough. I do kind of want to take some of the techniques to make a face hugger. It's like the Spider-Man, there was like a Spider-Man mini walker thing. There was another Polybag I did a little while back. And I didn't like the walker, but I thought the walker, the techniques for the walker would make like a really neat, like, actual spider. So, anyway, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Is this set just to get a Spider-Man, or is this part of it actually interesting? Seeing it put together, it's more interesting than I thought it would be, but I don't know if it's interesting enough. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.